Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given nice exponential Olympiad math question. We have 4 raised to the power of x minus 4 equals to 4 minus x, and here we're supposed to find the value of x. So let's provide a solution very quickly, and of course here we have to copy what we have. We have 4 power x minus 4 equal to 4 minus x. To me that here the things that we have, they are different, so that here we have to factorize negative. Here 4 power negative right here to get negative x plus 4 right here will be 4 minus x. Here then you have 4 power negative. Here by rearranging we shall get 4 minus x, which equals to here 4 minus x. To me that this one and this, they are the same, so that here we can relate 4 minus x to be t. What do we have right here? We have 4 power negative t, which equals to t. Now we shall write this. When we have here a power negative 2, we know that this is 1 over a squared. So this is what we're going to write here. This is 1 over 4 power t, which equals to t. By finding common denominator is equal to 1, so that by cross multiplication we shall get 4 power t times t will be equals to 1. Right, this is what we have right here. So by doing this one, 4 power t times t, now what can we do? It is this one, 4 power t, we can symbolize this one as a power b, and of course a power b here can be written as e power b ln of a, right? So what can we do right here? So that this is what we are going to apply right here to get e power b is equal to t ln of 4. You know that once we come up right here, we get 4 power t, and ln of e power ln of 4 power t is the same as this, so that times t will be equals to 1. Right, so this is what we have right here, right? So what can we do? We can multiply here ln of 4 on both sides. Here we have e power t ln of 4. That is why we have ln of 4, and here we have ln of 4. That's why we multiply it on both sides, which equals to ln of 4. I think everything is clear at this stage, right? And then here we shall get t for this one, ln of 4 times here e power t ln of 4 equals to ln of this one can be 2 squared. At this stage here, if you are seen as way, this one is the same as this, so we can apply Lambert W function, which is denoted as here. We say Lambert W function of here k e power k. To me that these are the same. This is equals to k, right? So we shall apply Lambert W function of here t ln of 4 e power t ln of 4 here will be equals to Lambert W function of here 2 ln of 2. Now at this stage we shall say that t ln of 4 equals to Lambert W function of here 2 ln of 2. And of course this is what we have right here. So by changing this one into this, we shall get here 2t ln of 2 equal to what? Lambert W function of this number e This 2 only can be changed as e power ln of 2 times ln of 2, and is the same as what we have right here. This is the same as this and this power that we have right here. So we shall write 2t ln of 2 can be here ln of 2, right? So at this stage we shall divide ln of 2, divide ln of 2, so that you get 2t, which equals to 1. Then here at this stage our t will be 1 over 2. And here we have said that t equal to 4 minus x, and we have seen that we have 1 over 2, which equals to 4 minus x right here. Now due to cross multiplication we have 1 which equals to 8 minus 2x, so that here we have negative 7 which is equal to negative 2x, and here our x will be 2 over 7 as we have right here. Now this is our value of x. So here we have to check if the answer is correct, because we have given here 4 power x minus 4 equal to 4 minus x and we have 4 power here 7 over 2 minus 4 equal to 4 minus 7 over 2. And of course here I have 4 power here, that it can be 2 7 minus 8 equals to, here we have 2, we have 8 minus 7, and of course this will be 4 power negative 1 over 2 equal to 1 over 2. And of course here we have 1 over 4 power 1 over 2, which equals to 1 over 2. And of course this is 1 over square root of 4, which is equal to 1 over 2, and 1 over 2 equals to 1 over 2. Left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.